Hey guys, it's Matt with Defender Bros, and if you know what the CMP is, or you know what that logo is, you've probably got a pretty good guess on what's in this case. Heck, I'd go out so far as to say that if you saw what the title of this video is, you probably already know what's in the case. Otherwise, why would you have clicked on the video? This is the CMP's, excuse me, rather, this is the M1 Garand that you can get from the CMP. This is a field grade. That's about $650 or so. It'll come with this little card on there. It kind of gives you more information about the rifle. I don't really know what the 1 plus or 2 plus is. I don't know if that's good or bad or just okay. As far as I know, that's just how they graded the muzzle and graded the throat. So, this one looks like it's got an older stock on it. You can see there's all kinds of dents and dings and gouges all along this stock. There's even some rust and pitting starting on the end of the barrel and the op rod there from where the, or gas chamber rather, from where the parkerization's kind of wearing off a little bit, or the parkerizing's wearing off. Probably a little bit of rust in the chamber. Yeah, you can see it down there. Looks like there's even some there on the follower. But, you know, piece of American history for $650. This was the American fighting rifle in World War II, you know? Who wouldn't want to own something like this? What serious firearm collector wouldn't want to own something as cool as this? If I remember correctly, I think this shipment of M1 Garands actually came back home to the United States from the Philippines. So, hurry up and go get yourself one before they dry out. I think all those came in 2018. If you want to see me do a series of videos on this, about restoring the stock a little bit, field stripping it, cleaning it up, hell, probably even a video on how to prevent getting yourself some really nasty Garand thumb when you're reloading it. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below, something. It's been Matt with Defender Bros. We'll see you in the next video.